Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to pin someone on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and click on the message section or the chat section at the lower part of your screen. And now just go ahead and choose the conversation that you want to pin. So for example, I'm just gonna pin work 2. So I'm just gonna long press on that conversation and click on chat settings and click pin conversation. So as you can see, there's this pin icon in our conversation that means that that conversation is now pinned on my Snapchat. So that's it. That is how you pin someone on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.